All right, here's another incredible trade on Palantir that CapitolEdgeAI.com had been predicting. So let's take a look at this and really get into it because I think it's crazy. So first of all, if you go over here to CapitolEdgeAI.com and if you're logged in, you can see the schedule. So I've kind of highlighted it here. Building an AI ready America. This just happened about 10:15 or so in the morning, New York time. So take a look here. I see that a lot of stocks are going to be affected, especially I'm quite interested in Palantir. And I see that's bullish for AI infrastructure. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to the chat bot. I'm going to say, all right, this one, tell me why it's bullish for Palantir. Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to our chatbot's going to help us build a case for trading the Palantir here. So it's going to tell us exactly what it's about, and boom, look at that strongly bullish conviction high. And now I'm going to show you the chart, and it completely confirms this theory. So let's take a look here. Palantir, boom, right there is where market open is, and we see 9:30. Let me take a look. This is the hourly here. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 15 minutes. So the meeting time happened somewhere around, it was scheduled to happen about here. Okay, and so we do have what looks to be a bit like a flag here, a bullish flag uh, happening here. But let's just take a look overall at the technical analysis here and understand why this is a very good and strong trade. So if we look at the daily, what we're going to notice is that this area here is support. Okay, we do see that the buyers have stepped in this area. Here we see that they have stepped in here. We do have a long wick down, but that wick here is telling me that the sellers failed and that it was brought back up. We see here that it was resistance turned support, and so on. So now we see that this area has been rejected. We see 2 green days. Now let's get into the details here. VWAP absolutely being respected once it has pushed above there. So from the 14th on the 4-hour. Okay, we can see that it's being respected. Let's go down more, the hourly. And I really do like this. So price is around the VWAP here, but then we see a large, next trading day gap up. So I'm already seeing the market is getting prepared for this meeting. And what it does look like to me here is that we have a new support, okay? A new support right in this area. Okay, so not only do we have the VWAP as support, but we're seeing that this area is where buyers are liking to make buys. They're wanting to hold this area. Now for the details. Look at that. Comes all the way down, touches this area of support, then pushes up right at the meeting. We got a bullish flag happening, and then boom, up for the rest of the day, making a gain here, going from opening of the meeting, or actually let's go from the opening of the day, 134 up to the high of the day here being about 142.56. So this is nuts. And this trade idea was on my website. It was on CapitolEdgeAI.com throughout this week. So if you were on there, you would have been prepared for this meeting. You would have seen the strong bullish signal, and you'd be making some money too. We're not here just to allow the politicians to trade these schedules. and to make money off of them. We're here to let the retail traders, just like you and me, get in on the action, get in on the inside, and make some real money as well. So check out if this resonated with you, and if you're interested in finding a real edge, not just technical or not just fundamental, but a real edge of market moving meetings that these politicians are trading as well, go ahead and get over to CapitolEdgeAI.com, CapitolEdge AI.com. Get in there, start making some real money. I'll see you on the inside.